Let's start using the power of rhyming words.
Naren.
This is Naren, conquering communication with you all. When we use the power of rhyming words, it helps the audience retain much easier. What do I mean by that? There's something about rhyming words and rhyming slogans that has amazing retention. The brain loves rhyming things because it's easy to catch on to and remember. Why do people love rap music so much? And it's grown throughout the world so quickly. I think one big reason is that it focuses on rhyming. People love rhyming stuff. Another thing is, when we were a child, do you remember all the things that were taught to you in school? You only remember the poems, the childhood kindergarten poems that were taught to you. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. That's because it was rhyming. And the power of rhyming is something we should use in business, in our campaigns, in our taglines, in our communication and letters to our customers. Let's progress towards a better business communication. Much love. I'll see you guys in my next video.